Alright, y'all. Back for part two. This is kind of where we ended, talking about how, um, what's the freaking word? Um, Talking about how substance abuse is another sign that you can look for if you're thinking someone's kind of having mental health issues. Sorry, I'm eating a chicken strip. So we're going to move right along into how to help someone with their mental health problems. So this is when you know they have them, you're trying to help now, do the best thing you can for them. So just this little clip right here, it says things you can do to help a friend with mental health issues. Really important to show your support, listen to them, ask what you can do to help, ask if they're getting the treatment that they want or need, and taking care of themselves. So we're going to watch another YouTube video on this. This one is not as you don't have to, or there's not words on it really, so I'm going to be kind of talking you through it a little bit more than the last one. But it's called Supporting a Loved One Through Mental Challenges. This is obviously an ad. She's saying that you need to take care of the ones around you if you're wanting to live healthy. Offer to listen non-judgmentally. Don't give advice unless you're asked. And don't compare your experiences with theirs, because them opening up to you is about them and not you. See if you can offer any support to them, like getting anything for them or helping them out with day-to-day life, just simple tasks while they're working on their mental health. Don't feel like you're interfering when you're supporting them. Figure out groups to help them because they might not be willing to look out for them. That's just saying, besides support groups, try to find professional support so that they can go to someone who knows how to help them process their feelings. That's it right there. So I know y'all might not have been able to hear that, but y'all can go watch that video. So there are about 1,000,005 little tips and tricks and advices, things on what you should do, but I just kind of picked out some main ones. Talk to them in a space that is comfortable, where you won't likely be interrupted and where there are likely minimal distractions. So you're not going to want to go to like a restaurant to talk about what they're going through mentally. You're going to want to kind of go to a secluded area where they're comfortable and you're comfortable, and they can really open up to you if they feel like that. Give the person hope for recovery, offer encouragement and prayers. So this can be really helpful with somebody going through these issues, because they just feel like there's somebody there for them, and it's kind of a mental stabilizer, kind of, in a way. The next one is give them the opportunity to talk and open, but don't press. So you don't want to be like, you need to tell me what's going on or this or that. Let them do it on their own time. So, like I said, there's so many of those from people that have gone through that or people that have helped in these situations. Just little tips and tricks, but those are kind of the main ones that stuck out to me. So, this is just a little clip on ways to help a depressed friend. So, I think this is one of the main mental health issues that goes on in today's society. So encourage your friends to seek professional help. Don't forget about your own mental well-being. Plan something for them to look forward to. Listen to them and check the severity of the symptoms. So, things you should avoid saying to someone you're trying to help would be just pray about it. You just need to change your attitude. Stop harping on the negative. You should just start living. Everyone feels that way sometimes. You have the same illness as my whoever. Yes, we all feel a little crazy now and then. So this makes you seem a little insensitive to them and what they're going through. And it's honestly not going to make them want to open up anymore. If you're just kind of putting down what they're saying a little bit, and not necessarily putting it down, but making it less of an issue than it really is in their mind. So the next thing would be things to avoid doing. And you can read those off. I don't really have to read them off, but that's just kind of a list right there. Make sure that if you are trying to help, you're making it about them and not yourself, and you're being sympathetic towards their situation and their illness, because it does need to be taken very seriously. Another thing that you could continue to go to would be a rehab facility or a retreat. They do all kinds of stuff like that. So if you could actually help them find one of those places just to go for a short time, just to get in the right mental state, that would be really helpful. But that's it for this lesson. In a regular class, I would have had a little worksheet to finish off the class with, but that's a wrap. So I'll see y'all on the flip side.